Hey, I'm Vedahi and welcome back to another video from GrowStacks. So, if you also run a business where you have multiple sales team members working for you and you find it difficult to track the individual and collective progress of your team, then you are at the right place. So, here at GrowStacks, we build automation and custom web applications that help run smarter without manual work. So, we had a client who built fitness equipments and sells it with the help of sales team. So the problem was it was almost impossible to keep track of every call, email, SMS conversation his sales team was having with the customers. So there was no single view of who talked to whom, when, or how it went. The data was scattered across different platforms, and that's exactly where we stepped in. We connected directly into his communication platforms Just Call for calls and Gorgeous for support tickets using the webhooks and scheduled HTTP call. We automatically built every single sales team member, every call, and every ticket the moment it happened without any copy pasting between the tools. So from here, we built out full structured pipeline with the init and using the BigQuery tables, the raw data coming in, getting cleaned, remove the duplicates and organize into a structured tables. Every single call and ticket get logged against the sales team member who handled it. And here's the clever part, since the sales team member can exist on both Just Call and Gorgeous with the same IDs, so the solution system that recognize the same person across both the platforms so no one get counted twice. We logged all the data into the raw tables, and once the data is received via webhook and HTTP call, the data directly get logged into the BigQuery tables, and the BigQueries are designed the way it doesn't log the duplicates and provides a cleaner and better schema of the agents and the calls made by the Just Call and Gorgeous. And we didn't stop here. We made a better workflow which keep continuing every single day and cleans the table and sends the data from raw tables to the clean tables, and it makes sure that there is no duplicate data logged into the table. The data feeds into the Looker Studio, and we created different views of the calls, tickets, and agents. So the daily call metrics, ticket metrics can be visualized against the agents, and client can see how his team is performing. So instead of digging through three different apps trying to piece together what happened, a client has a one dashboard that tells him everything automatically every single day. And if your business is dealing with the same kind of chaos where you use various tools, multiple team members, and there is zero visibility, that's exactly the kind of problem we love solving at GrowStacks. So feel free to reach us out and we will automate your business process. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.